Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Telegram and confirming you're on the correct account. This avoids checking the wrong link. Once done, make sure the app is updated so link previews and actions work reliably. Tap the chat or channel where the link appears and long press or tap to reveal options. You need to know whether the link is external, bot-related, or an internal message. That determines how you'll validate it next and which tools Telegram offers. You inspect the link by previewing and copying it, because visuals hide malicious domains. Copying reveals the exact URL. Once copied, check the domain for typos and ensure it uses HTTPS for basic security. Note suspicious subdomains or extra dashes. Make sure to review any forwarded from or bot labels inside Telegram, since forwarded content can mask origins. If it's a deep link like me slash or tg // understand whether it opens a channel, bot. You finalize by validating the destination. Open the link in a secure browser or sandbox to observe behavior without risking your account. Once there, confirm the site identity and compare branding and contact details to what you expect. Check who is or domain age if you suspect spoofing. If anything looks off, stop interacting, clear any entered data, and report or block the sender in Telegram. Troubleshooting tip: if previews still fail, clear the app cache and retry to refresh metadata.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.